Good day, everyone. My name is Ventura González Eduardo. Today we will presenting on transportation and traffic. Before we delve in our proposal, it is essential to understand the current state of transportation. The main problems are insufficiency capacity of the transporting publics. The infrastructure is often unable to meet current demand. The service quality is poor, with the bicycles are very dangerous transport for these mobilities. The last point is the modality of transport, because we use train, buses, cable buses, etc.
No, my name is Villanueva Sanchez Emmanuel, and I'm going to talk about transportation in CDMX. First, the subway is the most important system in CDMX because conduit 12 lines that cover a distance of more than 200 kilometers and 195 stations that will have been spending for 3 years more or includes more. Now, about a Metrobus, it's a bus system that circulates along the city main avenues with dedicated lanes and fares similar to the metro. It's more expensive to the metro and costs 1 MXN more. No, talking about a cable bus, it has 3 lines and has a total length of 24.75 kilometers and has 19 stations. And that is a great option, but it's only in a specific place in the city. It's expensive than the other, costs 7 MXN. And about the RTP that operates in urban and suburban areas of Mexico City with more than 80 bus routes. I don't say all transports in CDMX, but another example is the light train and the STC. CM that is a transportation system that connects Mexico City with 37 other locations in the metropolitan area with more than 150 bus routes and not a large number of taxis and private transportation. And the principal private transportations in the CDMX are the operating with oil. For this reason, the actual environment alternatives are ecobikes, cereal, are ecobikes, ideals for short trajects. Another important point is the integrated mobility card that operates in the most public transports. Finally, Jose is the new president Mexican Claudia Sheinbaum, the Onilia that will have been operating in a few years, but it's an electric car that's compatible with Tesla.
We talk about two purposes. The first is the commercial decentralization. The main point of this idea is that interest of having megacity that holds all the commercial power and centralizes the three branches of government. They should be moved to different states to prevent overpopulation in a single area of this country, avoiding the problem caused in the past, with, which result in 55% of the population living in the center of the country. Third, Fourth, I affirms that traffic is more a problem of distribution than a space problems. Do the affirmative. The other proposal is the encouraging public transit and sustainable transport. If the previous idea promotes irresponsibility, do various and more immediately solutions will be to complement the exciting transportation system. In my opinion, the main issue lies in the poor service of public transportation, as the traffic flow in the major stations is not adequately assessed. Regarding streets and highways, I would prioritize innovation in a traffic lights timing system through the uses different sensors to avoid unnecessary congestions by allocating more time to less used routes.
Yes, I'm agree with you, and I think that we need high speed trains about 300 kilometers per hour and travel long routes that connects the most remote points of the city. And I think that it's a great option to expand from another states. Now about a subway. I think that the best option is that this only getting underground and travel are about 80 kilometers per hour, connecting medium trajects in CDMX. But if you need to take a small traject, you will be taking an eco bike for the next minutes. No, if you want to travel so relaxed, you will be traveling on cable bus that circulate about 20 kilometers per hour. That will count with solar panels that do it for that and ecologic system. No, we need to create new routes that connects the city in the best form. Doing that, taking in count renewable energy systems, and if we do it all of that, we are going to need distribution centers that will be the departure and arrival points for passengers, where their destination will be assigned and information about the trip will be provided, and management systems that will be advanced to manage the flow of passengers, vehicles, and resource minimizing travel time and environmental impact. So benefits that benefits that about these systems are going to be the less pollution, better speed, and better secure non-limited schedules, because a lot of people works in night duties are going to cause user savings and access from any point.
Yes, agree with you because it's the most effectively solution of this big problem in the city because it's a low cost and a rapid solution of this problem with we talk about of this presentation.
But that's sure. I think that we need to consider the cost, schedules, routes, and environment impact. And finally, the efficiency. Thanks for your attention.
Thanks.